What's up YouTube? It's your girl Mya Monét. I'm back with another video. Today's video is gonna be a hair video. As you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'll be showing you guys how I got this braided wig. So this is my first time doing a braided wig, and then let me tell you, it's something that I probably wouldn't do again, only because I'm not good at edges and stuff like that, like plus more. So you know, and plus it kind of looks like a little like that right here, maybe just my head. And I did do my braids pretty flat, as you guys will see, but I would give this wig an 8 out of 10. And only reason I'm giving it an 8 out of 10 is because like this part is kind of lumpy. Okay, I'm sorry if I sounded a little dry in that last clip. I was just very stressed out because the wig wasn't giving what it was supposed to have gave. I'm not trying to bash this company in any way, shape, or form, because I did like the wig. It was just a few things that could have been better about the wig. The first thing is that the wig itself is way too small for my head, so it was really uncomfortable to wear. The next thing is that it's super hard to cut your ear tabs, so it might be a little uncomfortable to wear. That's why I'm wearing a new wig now, because I could not keep this on for a long time. I literally just made that video and the wig is already off. Everything else about the wig is pretty fine. The other thing is that when you hold it up like this, it looks pretty flat, but once you put it on like your circular head, it gets a little lumpy. Like I said, I am not trying to bash this company in any way, shape, or form, because I'm very excited to be working with them. They do have all types of different wigs. So if you guys want to shop any of their wigs on their website, you guys can use my code for 15% off. I'll put it right here on the screen. I just personally didn't like this wig in particular. I think that's the word. So if you guys want to shop with them, like I said, a whole bunch, like I think 3 or 4 wigs will be linked in my description box below. I'll put all their social medias on the screen right there. I really did enjoy working with the company. They're very like nice, very respectful and stuff. And even when I told them that, you know, the wig wasn't fitting right, they were very understanding with me. So I do like that about the company. So make sure you guys do shop with them. If I didn't say this already, the braided wig will be linked in my description box below, just in case you guys do want to purchase it. Like your hair might be a little bit smaller than mine, and it might fit perfectly for you. If so, let me know. I just wanted to get on the camera just to let y'all know that the wig is not perfect. I don't want you guys to go buy the wig and, you know, y'all have the same problems I have, and y'all come to me like, this wig is this wig is that, this wig is that, because I know too. So I just wanted to get on the camera just to show, just to tell you guys some of the cons that I had about this wig. It's a whole lot of pros. I can go on and on. Like, it's a beautiful wig. The braids are, you know, braided perfectly, a perfect size and all that. I just wanted to let you guys know. So if you guys purchase this wig, it's not 100% perfect, you know. I don't want you guys to say that y'all wasted y'all money and this and none of that, trying to blame it on me and not trust my word no more, you know. So thank you guys for being so understanding. Thank you guys for watching this clip. Thank you guys for liking this video, because I'm sure you guys already liked it. If you didn't like it, make sure you like it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram right there. And make sure you just keep watching all my videos, because I appreciate it so much. So without further ado, let's just get on to this video, because I know you guys probably been like waiting for me to hurry up and stop talking. So let's go.
Right, girl.
So the first thing I'm going to be doing is apply my wig. So right now I'm just braiding my hair like so. You know, it's not the best looking braid, but it's gonna do us decent. It's gonna get us the flat wig that we're looking for. So I'm gonna just keep on doing braids like this. They're gonna be all different sizes because my nails are, you know, pretty long or whatever. So I'm gonna come back to you guys when my whole head is braided. Hopefully it looks decent. I might get a little lazy and sloppy, but hopefully not, because if that happens, then I'm gonna be mad. Period. Okay, y'all, so I'm done braiding my hair, and this is how it looks, you know, just regular braids. I try to do them, you know, as even, as straight as possible, because I want to make really flat my hair with this stuff and some do-grow. I know y'all see my little braids, they a little stiff, but that's okay, because we better put the cap on right now. I'm sorry for all the extra background noise. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear it, but it's super loud. My little brother and sister are down here watching Tom and Jerry. Now I'm about to do is just place my cap on my head. Y'all see that? Look how flat it is. Like, it's really, really flat. Oh. I look good. Okay, y'all, so this is probably the best little braiding thing I ever did. Like, look how flat it is. It's literally like flat as ever. I'm so excited. I'm kind of excited. Okay, y'all. So right now I'm just applying my wig cap. So what I'm using is this styling gel. Styling gel. And my ever edge brush. If you want to shop this edge brush, click the link inside my description. So basically what I'm doing is going in with my styling gel and just applying it like so. Okay, y'all, now I'm just gonna go with my got to be free spray and just free spray around the perimeter of my hairline like so. Basically, y'all, now what I'm about to do is just spray the back of my hair with free spray so my hair can stick to the cap, even though I'm gonna be putting a wig on. Y'all, my got to be glue free spray is going. Like it's okay, y'all, so before I cut the cap, basically what I'm about to do is put the makeup on first. So that's what I'm about to do. So right now I'm just putting the makeup on my cap before I cut it. I know y'all probably like that's wasted makeup, but I feel like this is just gonna be the new way I'm gonna do it because I don't know. I just feel like doing it this way. It's all about trial and error, to be honest. So yeah.
Don't jump.
I will hope not.
And then I'm gonna fall inside the toilet.
Yep.
Because it's already broke.
No, my toilet not broke. It's like I forget this step in every single video, but basically what I'm gonna be doing is getting a you know what, cotton ball, some alcohol, and wiping the perimeter of my hair before I put on the glue. So let's do that. Okay. Okay, so for some reason I do not see no like popsicle stick or no edge brush or nothing. So basically what I'm gonna be using is this thing. My glue is on here. And yeah, I'm just about to apply it evenly like so. Okay, so I found my ever edge brush, and if you guys want to shop this edge brush, I said this in almost every one of my videos. Make sure you guys click that link in the description box below and use my code Mya for 10% off. But right now, this is my first layer, and I'm just letting it dry. When it's dry, I'll come back and, you know, apply the second coat. I'll probably just pop some words up on the screen somewhere that says applying second coat because I don't really feel like talking. Yeah. Okay, so now that my second layer is drying, before it dries completely, this lace is brown, but what I'm basically gonna do is turn it inside out, and I'm gonna apply foundation all over the cap. So yeah, let me angle the camera down so you guys can basically see. Okay, so my second coat ended up drying, so I'm about to go in with a third coat, and once I put my third coat on, I'm gonna apply my wig. But let me tell you what I'm gonna be doing. I'm sorry if I get to yelling, like, y'all, I'm dead. But basically what I'm about to do right now is put on the wig. And y'all can clearly see that I got foundation on the braids. But I'm just going to put the back of the wig on. So when it's time, I can just like pull it forward. I'm going to clip the baby hairs back because I do not want the baby hairs to get stuck in the, you know, in the process of me pulling the wig forward. I'm trying to look for some clips while I'm talking. Oh, here they are. Okay, so I put my wig on. I'm gonna apply the third layer, and as soon as I see it starting to get clear, I'm gonna pull it up and, you know, so on and so on. Bye, I'm dead. Okay, y'all, so this is the third coat of glue, but this time I'm not gonna let it dry. Okay, y'all, so third coat is on. So now basically what I'm about to do is pull my wig up. I'm gonna try to get close, but I'm gonna just pull my wig up and lay it right on the glue. Now I'm just gonna basically hold it. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my blow dryer and blow dry it. Okay, so the wig gets kind of tight, so basically what I'm going to be doing is cutting the lace. Only so it's not pulling, because it's pulling a lot. And I'm going to cut right here, because I kind of need to cut an ear tab, but how do I cut an ear tab? How am I supposed to cut my ear tab? Do I cut the braid off? Wait a second. So I basically just cut I cut a whole braid off because I don't understand how I'm supposed to do my ear tab. Like, okay, y'all, so I need to be as close to the mirror as possible. So what I'm about to do is cut my lace, and I'm scared. Cutting off my lace. So basically what I'm about to do is lift my edges up, spray a little bit of freeze, got to be glue free spray, and put my elastic band on. So I'm gonna come at you guys when it's time for me to take my elastic band out, because I feel like this step is just like really self-explanatory. Okay, y'all, so it's been like 10 minutes and this thing is way too tight, so I gotta take it off. Like it hurts. I can't get it off. Okay, y'all, so the last resort is just to cut it off, and I'm scared that it's gonna pop me back in my face, so I'm gonna cut it. So basically what I'm gonna do is put half of it back and do my edges, because the hair is pretty much as melted as I feel like getting it. Like I said, that elastic band just gave me a headache, and I don't even feel like doing my hair no more. But I'm about to just do my edges kind of on and off camera, because it takes me so long to do my edges, and I'm not finna have my camera on for like hours on end. So okay, so if y'all didn't know, in my last clip I think I said I was gonna do my edges, so I actually ended up melting it again, but I also did my edges while I was doing that, so hopefully they end up coming out right. So what I'm gonna do is take off my headscarf, which I got from You Nice Hair from my last wig. So yeah, I have my band on. I'm gonna take it off slowly so it doesn't, like, you know, pull my edges. Okay, y'all, so every time I try to record, it's steady saying I ain't got no storage, but I keep on deleting stuff and it's still saying I don't have no storage. So I'm trying to talk as fast as possible so I don't run out of storage. But basically I have on this headband, you know, and I put on my scarf and I sprayed it. I put some mousse on my head. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to show you guys because the camera cut off, but I put some mousse on my head, and it's been sitting on my head for like 30 minutes. Hopefully when I take it off, my hair lays flat. If not, then I'm gonna be very disappointed because I do not want lumpy braids. So this is the reveal, and y'all know I don't know how to do my edges, so don't even look at the edges. But my sister's probably gonna do my edges tomorrow, so yeah.
It still looks a little flumpy. Like, maybe is it just me? I'm basically saying I'm cooler. Like, I know braids not gonna be flat, but
okay, y'all, so this is the end result, and it's really cute. I really like it. It's giving very much like, ooh, like she cute. I know I wouldn't sit up in a shop for hours on hours to get it done, so I'm glad that they sent me a braided wig. I just want to say two things, man. Thank you so much to WEQUEEN for sending me this wig. And also make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram. So I don't really have much to say. Oh yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, you already know. And turn on post notification bell so you guys can see every time I upload a video. But that's all I gotta say. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.